Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy, my channel's Finding Value. And if you guys are looking for undervalued investment opportunities, that's what I'm looking for too. Click subscribe, I share them with the community on the channel. I'm gonna go over uranium, do a technical analysis update, see if we're breaking any of these patterns. We're so close on some of them, they're just coiling up right into the tip. I want it to break, but hey, if it goes down to the downside, we've got longer buying opportunities. If it goes to the upside, well, we've got bigger accounts. So a win and a win. So let's jump in. I'm going to jump right into charting. Again, whatever I talk about here, this is not financial advice. It's only financial education. Whatever you use from this, it's your own responsibility. Thank you. So here we go. It is URNM, North Shore Global Uranium Mining. We are still kind of coiling up in here. I just drew it kind of in the tops here. And it is moving on up in this kind of channel. We'll see if it breaks. Stays in the channel or breaks. We'll see. We'll continue to monitor it. Camco, I drew it a little bit different. I included all these guys in here. And you could say that technically it broke to the upside. We've got support around here. So we'll see what happens. Next Gen Energy, we are coming right up to the tip here. If you cut these tops off, so you include this one, and everything inside here. So I think it's real close. You can also probably go across this way, get a little bit different picture. Fission Uranium, this guy's definitely coiling up. It's just a matter of time. I mean, this is since February, so it's just been going sideways in this little thing coiling up. It'll be exciting. Fission 3.0, the exploration company. I just drew it across here. So we broke this downtrend to the upside, and we're kind of sitting on this pattern here. Or I should say on this support line. Pure Point Uranium, we are still coiling up. We broke out, thought we had freedom, and then Fedcoin came out and put us back in our place. But it'll come. Looks good. Sky Harbor still putting in the cup and looks like a handle pattern. Give it some time. Alaska broke out of this little pattern to the downside, was lost and abandoned, and then found itself again in June. We're starting to come back up. Standard Uranium, we are putting on the fatty pattern. It's a big old wedge. We'll see which way this thing breaks. I think they're doing some drilling this summer, so hopefully we get good news whenever that's released. Azincourt, still downtrend, but it doesn't look too bad. It's putting in work. It may still take some more time. What I do with these, I just, I barely throw a little bit of money in and then I just sit in them. I don't really do anything, guys. ALX, this thing's still on the downside of this breakout to the downside. So we'll see. I mean, this looks like it might head lower. But with the uranium sector going up, it could go back into the pattern. UEX Corp, we've got these kind of downtrends just getting broken, these little mini downtrends, consolidation periods. Look at the volume, my God. A lot of volume. We've got baseload energy, broke the downtrend pattern, and we are moving sideways at the moment. Encore Energy. Now this one looks pretty cool. We had a consolidation break, and we got this consolidation here. We'll see if it breaks. Energy Fuels. Again, we've got all these patterns forming. You could almost say this is a cup and handle pattern. Or it's just trying to break out of this resistance area. We've got UEC going into the tip of a triangle pattern here. It's coming right on up, coiling up. URG broke out of its little consolidation area here to the upside. Now it's on top of it, so that looks good. Uranium Royalty Corp. So we touched the line, came back up, and then we're coming back to touch it again possibly, and hopefully this line holds here. We'll see. Laramide, I just threw in this pattern here, the support line. Came down, popped up, and hopefully we pop up again above this line. Stay in an uptrend. Global Atomic, this thing's just been moving in a nice, steady uptrend. It is rolling a little bit over. It is flattening out. We've got Bannerman. Bannerman's got this downtrend line. It had this pattern, maybe a pennant formation, broke to the upside, and it's moving sideways some more before, I think, moving higher. I think way back here, it was at 15, 16 cents before, so it's trying to get through all those sellers. GoBX Uranium, are still in this pattern. This thing's got a lot of red days in here, though, so it could potentially break to the downside. We'll see. Deep Yellow, we've got the cup kind of handle pattern, and it's trying to break through this area here. It's sticky icky. Forces Metals had a bearish engulfing here. Looks like we're going to do a little pullback, and we're just coming right to a point. We'll see where it goes. Blue Sky Uranium breaking the pattern that we've got here to the upside. Just popped higher. Not too bad. Centrus Energy moving higher. It's going to use this as hopefully to jump higher off this guy, off this resistance support line. Lightbridge, resistance support, broke the downtrend, coming on up. Looking pretty good. And someone wanted me to chart Mega Uranium. Mega Uranium's got a very large pattern here that's just broke out to the upside. This one looks really good. Really good. I would throw a little bit of money in that even, right here. That one looks really good. So everything got patterns all coiling up. They're still coiling up. Looks like Mega broke to the upside, so that one looks actually really good. That's a pretty good launching pad there. So nice recommendation. It went in my charting stuff, so it looks pretty good. I mean, that's a big pattern right there behind me for Mega Uranium. I mean, if you guys like it, this isn't a bad area to be entering off this big base. So if you guys like this content, give me a thumbs up. Leave any comments or questions below. And thank you for listening. This is Finding Value.